Okay, this street's called Beco da Ostra. You got a beautiful tree, and we're gonna kind of meander. It's kind of a interesting little space with even like this kind of stuff as well, and that kind of stuff. And we'll just kind of see where it all comes out to. Pretty cool though. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Beco da Ostra? Ostra Alley? Ostra? Is that Ostra? It's like oysters. So I guess those are a bunch of pictures of Ostra. So I guess Ostra is oysters. So Oyster Street? Oyster Alley? Look at that. That's kind of cool. So I think we're going to be walking down that way. And this, of course, is where we're going to be filming. And we also have this kind of, we'll kind of check this all out. So this is a little park in here. And we're also going to walk down this little alley as well. Just kind of see if we can see what's down here. Oh, there's a cat on the rooftop. So I don't know what this is exactly, if it's still Ostra or not. It is. So this is actually Ostra as well. So Beco da Ostra is here. Then it comes in this little alley. And this little alley looks like it's a bunch of import-export fruits, stuff like that. So yeah, this whole little space, let's just kind of see if we can see where we are exactly. Yeah, I've been in here, but it's been quite a while. Yeah, so it looks like they have a lot of, it's like a fruit street, basically. Well, we want to focus on that alley right there. But yeah, this is a little alley that has a bunch of fruit stands. There's definitely a lot of stuff I have to explore more. That's, god dang it. I just got to get a little bit of bearings to this fruit street and what this street is called, because I think I want to film it again another time. Feels a little bit, dang, that looks so cool too. It's like a fruit street. What the heck is this? So yeah, anyways, I don't see a street sign for this, but we're gonna go back into Ostra. But they basically have like a ton of fresh fruits. Okay. Huh. Okay, so Ostra Street is right here. Beco da Ostra. And that's our target street. It's so weird. You know, I feel like I've been to a lot of places in Macau, and I was just looking at a map and I was like, you know, all these streets I've been to, actually I've been here before, but it's been, not really, I haven't really filmed it because it's, I remember being here a long time ago, sorry, like 7 or 8 years ago. I remember stumbling upon it, but I never walked down that little alley right there. It's pretty cool though. I definitely want to go down that street. Just kind of see what this is right here too. Let's see. Oh, it's the end. So that actually doesn't go any further. It's the end. Hello. So that, that's so strange. Okay, so that's the end of that street. So actually that goes into homes. I thought that would continue on, but it doesn't. And of course we got this beautiful tree right here as well. And we also have that. And you can also sit there too, right? You have the roots. I think we might be able to go down. So I think what I want to do is I want to go down this way a little tiny bit. Hello, hello.
Hello. Very good.
Then this is another street. I think this is a different street here. It's kind of a cool street, so we'll just walk down it a little bit. And I don't know if it's Ostra or not, but it goes down to another one. I think it's called Rosa, I think. Yeah, there's Beco da Ostra. So there's Rosa down that way. And it's also a little bit of a, it's like a little patio right there as well. And a whole little street right there. So let's go back down our street. Stay in Ostra. We'll just kind of try to see more of it a little bit. There's also a coffee shop right there. Off Cafe, recharge yourself. Hello.
Hello.
Have a good day.
Oh.
That's cool. He's got a really cool spot right there. Everybody's really friendly here. Oh, so that street, I think he was in this place, so I think that's his home. So that whole space is one, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, that's really cool. You got a place you can sit here, and then this beautiful temple as well. It's really beautiful. You also have that beautiful right there too, that this lantern right here is beautiful as well. So I bet that lights up at nighttime and it's kind of illuminate the whole area. Plants. Somebody's courtyard. It's a really cool space. Then you even have that kind of beautiful shrine, and then these kind of older buildings as well. Huh. These are really old homes in here. So I think we're still in Ostra. Pretty cool little spaces though. Ah, dang, this looks really cool. Somebody's sitting there. Okay. Antiques. Dang. Too much cool stuff. Check out this. It's like, it's kind of abandoned, right? But you have all these trees that are growing up in it as well. Hello. It's kind of cool. There's like a lot of really friendly people in this little alley. So we're gonna come out over here. And now I think we're kind of near Invernario. So down that way is Invernario. So we'll probably walk down that way and give a little context to everything. But that was our street right there, Beco da Ostra. And over here they're also selling some what's it called? So that was our target street right there, Ostra. So we basically walked down that little stretch. So we walked all the way down from there all the way down here. And then over here there's a little shop that sells coconut milk. So we're just going to show that coconut milk place, and then we're going to walk towards Invernario. We're just down that way. And that'll give you some context to that Ostra Street. So the coconut shop place, I don't know if several of these might sell them. Oh, I think we have to walk down a little bit. I think this is their Teatro Street. Let me just see real quick. So yeah, this is called Hudo Teatro right here. kind of a lot of stuff happening right here. So let's just kind of go down a little bit. And that place that sells the coconut milk is not too far down. I think it is right there. So that's one I think they set up there. Yeah, that's the spot. Kokosh Hung Hong. That had a very long line earlier today. So we're just gonna walk down briefly, kind of highlight this little space in here. And yeah, we did Hudo Tercena earlier, and we were kind of basically back in those little alleys, all the way back there, all the way back in that space. So that's where we were just filming. Yeah, they got an Indonesian restaurant right here too. I definitely want to check that out sometime. Okay. The Indonesian food smells really good.
Okay.
Okay. So I think this is the Teatro Street. So that's the Teatro Street right there. I think that's another, a lot of people are in line for this one as well. So I don't know if that's also and our street was that one right there. So that's Beco da Ostra. So let's walk up there a little bit. So that's ours right there, Ostra. Pretty cool little street. A lot of friendly people back there. Wow, it's cool. And just to give you a little context of everything. Also, I did this one earlier as well. I think that one was the Street of the Haunted Ghost. No, Rotten Ghost. So we're gonna walk down to Invernarios. And then we'll conclude. So it kind of gives you some context to this whole area as well. Aero Light Cafe, and over there was some live music much of the day. I've been filming here quite a bit today, actually. Invernarios Street down there. Yeah, and earlier they were doing live music right here, Play Me. And we're pretty close to Invernarios Street. So we'll just walk down and then we're gonna end our film. So this kind of has our antique stuff and kind of cool stuff. Okay. Dorna Street. So this is Invernarios right there. And this one kind of goes all the way down into this little place where they play mahjong and stuff like that. So yeah, I filmed in here a little bit ago, but so yeah, this is where the kind of a cool little space. Okay. So anyways, our target was down that way a little bit, and we're gonna end our video. All kinds of cool stuff today. Okay. Okay, so ours was like down that way a little bit. We're gonna end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.